Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is a new month. That means a new month means new coupons to print. Now I did go through it and I'm not seeing a lot of good ones, but everything that showed up yesterday pretty much reset today. So you guys have a better chance of printing off that. But yeah, I'm going to go through it. Now you guys do know this. I say this to you every time I print my coupons on Swagbucks. All you do is you just go to store. And then grocery coupons, and this pops up. This is the coupons.com website, and you just get points. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. But the speed stick did reset, the Clorox 2 reset, a lot of the Scots and everything. I'm going to do the Skintimate coupons. They have Excedrin is a brand new one. I think off is coming up because it's going to be bug season. So we got that. Okay. So the next one is the Zyrtec $4 off coupon. I'm printing that off because last time there was a pretty good deal with that. Biotine, Miralax, those all reset. Now this $2 off Colgate reset again. I'm going to keep printing off because I have a feeling there's going to be a deal sometime in the near future because it's a new product. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. Clorox, the Mars coupon reset. All the Clorox coupons like that reset. Clairol buy one get one free, that reset. Here the Dove buy one get one free reset. Neutrogena, looks like those reset. Now here we got Glad trash bags. We got $1 off of that. I never get trash bags ever, so it'd be nice to get some. And then here we got $1 off of one Yoplait Dunkers or Golgurt Dunkers. Never heard of that, but that's a new product on that. Del Monte, here we got $1 off of 2. 7th Generation dish soap, $1 or 50 cents for that. And then for the laundry detergent, we got $1. Here is Simply Potatoes, Drano, Larabar, all that stuff. Huggies, swim diapers, $1.50. These coupons pop up all the time. Like, you get 50 cents off of Annie's, 50 cents, $1 off of 3. Pillsbury, those coupons are here all the time, so there's no rush unless you guys absolutely need them. Don't rush to print them off. But yeah, the Glade Mist reset, Mrs. Myers. Other than that, it's not going to be a great time to print coupons, but I still wanted to just share with you guys on new coupons. It looks like I'm printing 10, so just want to give you guys a heads up on that, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.